one of the biggest things you can do to prevent periodontal disease is visit your dentist and your hygienist at least for 6-month visits. And that way the teeth can be cleaned professionally and you know that the bacteria is being taken care of. Other things you can do are, brush your teeth at least 2-3 times a day, floss your teeth. If you don't like to floss, we recommend the oral irrigators, the Waterpiks that you can use. We just need to clean everything off of the teeth. The thing you need to remember is also acid will affect you, and acid comes from the foods we eat. So if you eat something very acidic, I recommend drinking water. Just rinse those things off of there so that you don't have these problems. So again, I really encourage you to come into the office for your 6-month hygiene visits to make sure that there's no problems.